You need SPF. It doesn't matter if you're inside, it doesn't matter if you're not in the sun, it doesn't matter if you are black, you need SPF. Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Zahria. If you don't know me, in today's video we are featuring all black owned makeup brands on period. Everything on my face is black owned, and I'm gonna walk you guys through it from start to finish. Hopefully I put you guys on to some brands that you've never heard of before, and you know, you can always comment and let me know some brands that I don't know about too. Honestly, with the current state of the world and everything going on, I just feel like our community needs a lot of support, and it's been needing a lot of support. If you guys have followed me for a while, you know that supporting black owned brands is nothing new to me. One of my first popular videos, I was very vocal about how I love to support black owned business, and I was supporting a black owned business in the video. This ain't nothing new to me, but you know, with everything going on, I just really wanted to shed light on some businesses that people maybe sleep on or people just may not know about and want to support. Also, I just think it's important that now that all these black owned businesses are being brought to light, that once we find out about them, we continue to support them, not just because it's a trend, but you know, because we actually want to keep our, you know, money flowing in our community. So yeah, all positivity here, all love here, you know, all of that. So if you guys want to see how I got my face to look like this, then keep watching. Okay y'all, so my eyebrows are done. I did my eyebrows off camera, and I'm gonna start with putting something on my lips because girl. So the first product that I'm gonna be using is Top Notch Clear Ice Lip Plumper. I'm not really sure. Yeah, okay, I wasn't sure if it was gonna be like a lip gloss or like a lip plumper. It's a lip plumper, so we're gonna put it on first. Oh, you know what's crazy? I forgot my mirror. I'm just looking right into the camera. Okay, so yes, I'm gonna go ahead and put on the lip plumper. I will say that this smells really good, and it's like minty, so I guess that's where the plumping part comes from. Okay, so the next product that I'm gonna be using, I was really excited about this one, you guys. So this is a box of crayons eyeshadow palette. This is what it looks like once you open it. Like in these colors. It was so hard to find a palette, you guys. Not because they're not there, it was hard to choose one. Let me say that, let me say it that way, because it was not hard to find one at all. It was hard to pick one because there's so many black owned eyeshadow palettes that it was just really difficult. Like, it was just hard to pick. So I'm gonna dip my brush into the red and this orange, and I'm just gonna try to mix them a little bit, and then I'm gonna apply it directly to my eye. And I like to kind of like windshield, but also go in circular motions at the same time. Now I'm gonna go into this tan color, and I'm gonna put that right here where I would want it to blend, just so it's not as harsh right there. I love using like tans and stuff as like a transition color, you know what I mean? Because it just softens the look. Period. And here we are. Okay, so now I'm gonna take this dark brown that's right up here in the corner, and I'm gonna put that on my lid. Y'all haven't seen me do eyeshadow in so long. I low-key miss doing eyeshadow. Like, why did I stop this? Okay, so now I'm gonna take the same brush that I used for the yellow and the red, and I'm gonna dip it in that same brown that I was using, and I'm just gonna start blending it into the crease. I need everything to be seamless. But I do like how it's coming out. Like, I just love it. It's like a warm, smoky eye, you know what I mean? And there's so many other looks you can create with this palette because it has so many other colors in it. Okay, so the next product, I'm moving on to my face now. And I just want to let it be known, you guys, that you need SPF. It doesn't matter if you're inside, it doesn't matter if you're not in the sun, it doesn't matter if you are black, you need SPF. So the next product that I will be using is this Black Girl Sunscreen. You can find it at your local Target, and of course, it will be linked below. It's moisturizing sunscreen lotion for your face and your body. So I'm gonna go ahead and take like a little, I feel like anytime I use anything with SPF in it, a little bit goes a long way. So I'm just gonna put a few little dots, and we're gonna rub it in. Okay, so boom, we're protected. Next, I'm gonna use, okay, I don't know how to say the name of this brand. I don't know if it's Oma or Uoma or Uoma, but this is the next product that I'm gonna be using. Funny story, y'all, I went to Ulta to get this, and I don't know if you guys know, I mean, if you buy makeup then you know, but they are not doing testers, understandably so. But it was really hard to pick my shade because this brand has such a wide shade range that it was probably like 4 or 5 shades that look like it could be me. So we're just gonna hope that I pick the right one. But yeah, anyways, that was just my little disclaimer. So as you can see, once I put this on my face, it is very lightweight, which I like about it. As you can see, a little bit goes a long way. I did like half a pump and like half my face is done. Okay, so we're done with foundation. Although I'm not sure if this looks, I'm not sure if what I'm looking at is right, but to me, it looks like this foundation is like a little bit too light for me. So I will have to bronze it up a little bit, but you know, your girl was in the store trying to figure out her shade and wasn't even able to try it on or touch it or anything of that nature. So we just gonna have to make it work. It is what it is. I'm not sure if you guys can tell on camera, but you probably can. Anyways, so the next thing that I'm gonna use is this Beauty Bakery Flower Setting Powder. Oh, sorry. So the shade for my foundation, I didn't even tell y'all what shade I was using. Bronze Venus T2N. That's the shade for the foundation. So for the powder, the shade is Almond. I really like Beauty Bakery because I just love their little like theme. Like, I think it's so cute. I'm gonna press it into the skin, by the way. But yeah, I think their theme is so cute. Like how everything is about like baking and cake, and I just think that whole theme is like adorable, super creative. I can already tell you guys I'm really liking this setting powder. It comes in different shades. That's the good thing about shopping black owned brands, is like you will find your shade, okay? And that's just that on that. I'm putting the powder like literally all over my face just to set that foundation in. One thing I really liked about the foundation is it was very lightweight. I feel like one layer of that I would even wear it to the beach. Like that's just what it is. Like it's really nice, it's really buildable, and then you know, like with the powder setting it in, it just kind of like, I like what it's doing. It's nice. So moving on, we're gonna do concealer. This concealer is also from U.O.M.B. It's from the same place. I think it's so cute because I don't know if you guys can see it, but it says woke, but it's kind of like a time, W-O:_KE. I just thought that was so cute. Stay woke. The shade of the concealer that I'm using is Honey and it's T1, and I'm gonna go on ahead and put that right under my eyes. Ooh, it has a nice big applicator. I like that. Oh shoot, yeah, this is gonna do something. I'm already feeling it. This is definitely gonna do something. I might not even have needed this much. It's definitely nice and thick. I did not expect that after the foundation was so watery. And let me not say watery, because it wasn't watery in a bad way. It was just very lightweight and buildable, which I like, because you can use the same foundation for different purposes. If you want a nice little, you know, chill, I'm just going out to the beach, I'm not really doing nothing, I'm not doing too much, you can use it for that. But if you want to like build it up and beat your face, you can use it for that as well. Anyways, so I'm gonna go on ahead and blend this in. I started with the chin because I feel like low-key intimidated by under my eyes because I feel like I put too much, but we gonna see. Yo, yeah, no, this is nice. I did not expect this. Not because, I'm telling you, not because I didn't think the brown was good. I knew the brown was gonna be good, but it's because I just thought it was gonna be more lightweight and buildable like the foundation. But this is definitely a little on the heavier side, but not in a bad way. Heavier as in like your under eye circles are gonna be gone. I like this concealer a lot. Oh my gosh, you guys. Of course I gotta see how it like wears, but right now I'm impressed. Very impressed. I like this. This is the one. I'm so happy with how my makeup is coming out. Like the eyeshadow palette was popping, the foundation was popping, the powder was popping, and now we're right on the under eyes, and I'm just feeling the same way. Like, I love it. I'm gonna put a little more because I didn't put as much on this side because I was scared. Yeah, this concealer is it. Okay, so one thing that I forgot to get was a setting powder for under my eyes. Usually I use the same setting powder for my whole face, but because I low-key kind of got a shade that was a little dark in the Beauty Bakery setting powder, because the shade was like a little dark, I don't really want to put it over my under eyes that I just brightened. So although I love the setting powder, I can't use it for under my eyes. So I'm just gonna bake under my eyes and then come back. I'm just gonna wipe this away and we're back. Next, I have another product from Beauty Bakery. Don't worry guys, we have other black owned brands coming up. It just happens to be the products I'm using earlier in my face. They have this Brownie bar face palette that came out and it's so cute. And I just feel like all the colors are black girl friendly. I mean, as they should be because it's a black owned brand. But yeah, so I'm gonna start by, I'm gonna use this color in the middle as like a blush. Oh, Yes, okay, it worked. It worked out. And every time I do blush, I kind of put a lot and I'll be looking crazy, but it's okay because I always wipe it away and, you know, blend it. But it definitely brought the warmth back into my face. I like it. Now we're gonna move on to contouring, and I'm gonna use this dark brown color at the end. And then do the other side. And again, I'm taking my big fluffy brush and blending everything together. Literally every time I put any powder on my face, I always take a fluffy brush and blend everything because nobody got time to be out here looking crazy. Now we're moving on to highlight, which is in the same palette. I just love that they came out with this. And I'm not even, when it comes to highlights, I really like loose pigments, but they really did their thing with this palette. And the highlight is pretty. Oh my God. You guys need all this makeup in your collection. I really hope that's why you clicked on this video, was because you were gonna buy this stuff. So please buy it, because you would be doing yourself and your community a favor. And I love that. We're cute. So obviously, since I love the highlighter, I'm putting it all over my face. I mean, it's only right. Okay, so now that I have highlight on my nose, I'm gonna go back into this, ooh, which one? I'm gonna go back into this dark color and I'm gonna contour. I be using this powder brush every 2 seconds, like, ooh, okay. Moving on, I'm gonna take my Fenty Beauty eyeliner, if you will. This packaging, you guys, is so cute. Usually, I do a big dramatic wing, and I don't know if I want to do that. I am gonna wing it. Okay, period. Who are you? Who are we? Eyeliner's done, and we looking good. So now I'm gonna go back into this palette and mix that orange and red again and put it under my eye. And now I'm gonna go into the gold color and put that right on my inner corners. I haven't done inner corner, I mean, I haven't done eyeshadow in a long time, but I haven't done eyeshadow on my inner corners in an even longer time. So now I'm going to put on these lashes. So these lashes are from Colored Raine, and they are called Glamazon. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop these on. Ooh. I don't know if the box was supposed to open like that. Did I just break it? Oh, y'all, I broke the box because I did this and I don't think you were supposed to do that. Okay, I'm pretty sure you're supposed to like swipe it off like that. Look at me already damaging things. Lashes are on, and now we're moving on to lips. So I'm gonna wipe off the lip plumper and get right into my lip liner. So this lip liner is from the Lip Bar, which is actually nice because it's vegan and cruelty free. I also believe the website that I got the lip plumper is also vegan. A good thing about this lip liner also is it is available at Target. I will link it down below, but it's available at Target, which I love because I feel like everyone's close to like a Target, so there's that. Cool. And the color for this lip liner, where did I put the top? I don't know where I put the top. I always lose stuff. Okay, here we go. The color for this, I don't even know what color it is. It'll be in the description because it doesn't say the color on it, or maybe I'm just blind, but it'll be in the description. Moving on to lipstick, I am going to be using a lipstick from Colored Raine, and oh my gosh, also vegan, cruelty free, and gluten free. These Black owned brands are killing it. Like, that's all I have to say. Ooh, and the packaging of this lipstick is cute. Okay, Colored Raine, I see y'all. The shade of this lipstick is Cameo. So it's a nice little black girl nude. It's even kind of like pinky, which I didn't really expect, but I actually really like this color. This is a cute color. Okay. And I really could leave my lips just like that, but I'm not going to because I also have this lip gloss. It is from the Crayon Case. It is from their It is from their Hall Pass lip collection, and it is in the shade, I don't be remembering what shades I got. Oh, so it says student name, crayon cutie, homeroom, Slay Academy, teacher, crayon case. That's so cute. Okay, so the name is Clean Kisses. So cute. I'm just so impressed. Like, y'all, I did my full face with black owned makeup products. Like, so I'm gonna add this lip gloss over top to give my lips a little finishing touch. I'm definitely feeling this lip combo. And now that we have come to the end, I'm just gonna finish it off with some setting spray, Fenty Beauty, and it's called Baby What It Do. Cause what it do, baby? And of course, you know, I'm just sprayed all over my face because that's how you use setting spray. I be using so much setting spray, y'all. Okay, you guys, so this is the complete look. I did my entire face with all black owned makeup, baby, okay? It came out bomb. Like, I'm loving it. Literally every product was on point. Like, to me, there wasn't even any questionable products in here. Like, you know how you try something that's kind of like, no, literally every product was on point. Like, I will be continuing to purchase these brands. It's crazy because I would literally buy all these products again whenever I run out, and not just because they're black owned. They're actually really good. And let me not say actually because I knew they was gonna be good. They're really good. It's a wrap, like, from here on out. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I hope you guys really enjoyed this look. I love it. I feel like it looks bomb. Let me know what you think in the comments. Let me know if you guys have tried these brands before. Let me know some other black owned brands. It doesn't even have to be makeup, just anything in the comments, anything you know, let me know. Put me on. I hope I put you guys on. I hope you guys love this video, love this makeup look, and I love you guys. Please remember to like this video, comment everything, black owned brands, all of that, and then also of course subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Love you. Bye.